Some retail power consumers have begun receiving their power electricity tokens after days of an outage of the service that left many stranded in the dark and counting losses. Those who are yet to buy and are in need have been asked to buy tokens from KPLC banking halls countrywide as the firm works to resolve the delays. Kenya Power's token generation system went down at the weekend, leaving consumers unable to get token numbers despite their payments going through, leaving some in darkness for close to 3 days. The problem has yet to be fully solved, as the electricity distributor had initially said that the issue would be resolved in the afternoon. But this afternoon, the banking hall option was announced, and the frustration has been expressed largely online as losses beckoned, with some businesses unable to operate and fears of food going bad in refrigerators.